Okay, we've been told that the height of a regular square pyramid is equal to the side length of the base. So the first thing we're going to do is just figure out what this value is. Here it looks like this is equal to this. So let's solve for that. We have 3x minus 17.5 is equal to 6, but we know that y is equal to 7, so 6 times 7 minus 3. So that allows us to solve for x. I'm going to let you figure out what x is. Go ahead and do that now. When you're finished, you should discover that x is equal to 18.83. Okay, now don't you go straight there. You be sure that you actually solve for it. Just because I wrote down x equals 18.83 doesn't mean that you don't need to solve for it. All right, we found x. What is the volume of the pyramid? Okay, so remember that volume is equal to 1/3 times base times height. But this base is really a square pyramid, so it's s squared times the height. So I think now is the time to draw this so that we can see what actually is going on here. So this is my best version of a square pyramid, and got this and this, so you get the idea there. Okay, now we know that the height is represented right here. Okay, so I'm just going to draw this little line out here, and we'll talk about the height here. Okay, so we know that that's 3 times 18.83 minus 17.75. Okay, so that represents the height. The side length is represented here. Let me change this color. That is going to be, one side length is going to be 6 times 7 minus 3. Okay, so that's equal to 39. Which means that we can, up here, we can plug this in here. So we know this is 39 squared, and this, the height is the same size, the height is the same length as the base, so that has to be 39 as well. Okay, so that's actually pretty easy to calculate. When I entered all this in my calculator, I got 19,773 cubic units. Okay, all right, so that part was good. Now we need to find surface area, okay? So remember, surface area is equal to the lateral surface area plus the base, okay? So lateral surface area, the formula for that is going to be a little more, it's going to take a little more doing here. Well, the first thing the base is going to be just side squared, right? Okay, but the lateral surface area is, if you recall, 1/2 perimeter times the slant height. So let's just start filling in the values we know. We know this is 39 squared, 1/2 here, and then for perimeter, that's going to be 39 times 4. Do you see all of that? So the only thing that's really hard to find is the slant height. Let me draw that slant height in here. We know that goes from here to here, right? And this is a right angle. Okay, so what we need to see is that we've got this right triangle going on, actually, okay? So this goes out here, right? So this slant height is actually the hypotenuse of this triangle that we're slicing out here. So we know the one leg of the triangle is 39. That's this part right here. So there's 39. The other leg of the triangle is half of 39, right? Because the distance from here out to here is 39, just like, or half of 39, just like from here to here is half of 39. So if we use the Pythagorean theorem, we get 39 squared for the one leg plus 39 over 2 squared for the other leg, and that gives us our slant height squared, okay? So when you enter all of this into your calculator, don't forget to take the square root. I'm thinking that you should get L is equal to 43.6. Obviously, that's a rounded value, but if you leave that in your calculator, bring that back up here, you can write 43.6, and you can still just enter it all into your calculator. When you get all of this taken care of, you should end up with a surface area of 4,922, and that is going to be units squared. This one's pretty intense, isn't it?